In a strongly worded statement, the head of state described the strike as totally unacceptable and against professional ethics, and I quote, "It goes against the Hippocratic Oath and basic principles of humane consideration for fellow Kenyans." Saying that the government will not allow the current suffering by Kenyans to continue, the president gave the health professionals an ultimatum to return to work or be replaced. He says, and I quote, "Whatever differences exist, we have to put human life above all other interests. We definitely cannot allow men, women and children to continue living each day fearing the worst for themselves and their loved ones as a result of disagreements that can easily be resolved by following the law." End quote. And in line with the governor's threat to replace the striking workers, the president directed governors to seek alternative arrangements, essentially backing governors' earlier resolution to replace the striking workers. It is the alternative that county governments appear to be settling for as the countrywide strike entered its 9th day today. In Murang'a County, a recruitment exercise was underway. Applicants seeking to fill vacant positions advertised for various posts for medical officers stand up at the Murang'a County headquarters.
Yes, we will hire on temporary basis health workers who are qualified so that they can help us handle whatever emergencies are coming our way.
County governments continue to advertise the recruitment of new health workers to replace those on strike. The latest advertisements were posted in today's dailies by Wajir County government.
In the process of taking or making the act the subject of the complaint.
This even as the High Court dismissed an application filed by the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union seeking to block the Transition Authority from transferring medical services functions to county governments.
Accordingly, we do not accept the contention that the evolution of health services ipso facto ought to necessarily lead to loss of jobs or disadvantageous terms of employment.
The medical practitioners argued in court that the transfer of services flouted the Constitution and asked the court to nullify legal notice number 137. Justice George Odunga said there was no sufficient evidence to prove that devolving the services was illegal. Sally Mbilu, Citizen, live at 9.